I am Professor A.K. Gupta. I did my M.Tech and PhD from IIT Delhi, and later on I did some postdoctoral work at IIT and All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Later on I worked with Indian Oil Corporation at their R&D center, Research and Development Center, for about 28 years. And after getting superannuation from there, I joined Manav-Rachna College of Engineering as head of chemistry department, and also I served from 2012 to 2014 as dean postgraduate studies and research. Presently I am working as a professor in chemistry department, and also I have been given the assignment of being the proctor of Manav-Rachna University. See, as a proctor, discipline is of paramount importance in Manav-Rachna University. This has to be imbibed in each and every student, so that when they move out in the corporate world or the academic or research institute for higher studies, it is reflected in their action and behavior. There is a proctorial committee in the university which monitors the overall discipline in the campus, and any act of discipline is dealt with seriously, and inquiries conducted by the committee promptly. Recommendations of the committee are forwarded to the Vice Chancellor for further necessary action. This committee ensures that the students in the university behave in a healthy, disciplined and responsible manner. It looks after into all the complaints and deal with these in accordance with the best academic practices. There is a women's cell in the university which is headed by a very senior faculty member, and it has got other female members as its member. This cell is responsible for looking after the gender sensitive issues. It ensures a congenial work atmosphere in the campus, so that women at the university are not subjected to any gender specific discrimination or sexual harassment. In case the women's cell requires any intervention of the proctor, a ready guidance is provided to them. I have worked in Indian Oil for 28 years in different capacities. Initially I was involved in the research on development of various fuel and lubricant additives, and which led to the commercialization of these particular products. And also I was involved with the development of new analytical test methods, and we also formulated a manual for these tests. The research is reflected by the 42 research publications and 8 patents which I have to my credit. I have been awarded by several awards and recognitions: Eco Innovation Awards in the year 2007, and NPMP Award for development of sulfonate based grease, and also we written a book actually on scientists as a role model, which was published and was given the best ABCI award in the year 2011.